Hello student, good evening to all of you. We were discussing about the global warming. In the previous video, we discussed what are the hazards due to the global warming. ठीक है, तो what is the global warming? Average earth temperature increases and that's why polar glaciers become melt and that's why sea level rises and it causing flood in the coastal areas. Sometime they completely or permanently merged under the water. Right? So these are the bad effects of the global warming. Next, fourth point, burning of coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide gas. It's very important point to note. They releases sulfur dioxide gas. This sulfur dioxide itself is very suffocating and corrosive. Now what is the reason behind it? Because when this gas reaches to your nose, in nose mucus is there that has 99% water. So this SO2 dissolved in that water and forms sulfurous acid H2SO3 and this sulfurous acid is highly suffocating and corrosive, right? That's why we are saying suffocating and corrosive. तो जो अंदर की म्यूकस लेयर है वो पूरी निकल जाती है और आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इरिटेशन होता है. Moreover, petrol engine give off gaseous oxides of nitrogen also. अब अगर पेट्रोल का इंजन है तो वो नाइट्रोजन के ऑक्साइड्स भी निकालेगा. तो ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ सल्फर एंड नाइट्रोजन बोथ डिसॉल्व्ड इन द वाटर एंड दे प्रोड्यूस एसिड्स, राइट? sulfur dioxide produce sulfurous acid, nitrogen oxides produces acids of nitrogen, right? When these gases dissolved in rainwater, okay, they form acids and such rain is called acid rain. इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि अगर फर्स्ट रेन है रेनी सीजन की तो उसमें बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए because that rain dissolved all the bad things or we can say harmful gases of the environment. So it is very harmful for crops, for buildings, for soil, etc. So when this acid rain or this acidic water reaches to the aquatic life, it threatens the aquatic life also. Even plant and animal both affected with this acid water, right? So जो नॉर्मल pH होता है वो 7 होता है. अगर 7 से ऊपर ज़्यादा नीचे होता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती है. आपकी बॉडी में भी ब्लड का pH स्लाइटली ग्रेटर देन 7, राइट 7.5 समथिंग एंड इन जनरल वाटर का pH भी अराउंड दिस वन होना चाहिए. तो एसिड रेन से जब काफ़ी हद तक बॉडी एडजस्ट भी करती है लेकिन अगर pH 5.5 से नीचे जाता है तो फिर ये प्रॉब्लमेटिक होता है. ठीक है, तो यूज़ ऑफ डीजल पेट्रोल फ्यूल्स इन ऑटोमोबाइल इज बीइंग रिप्लेस्ड बाय सीएनजी. इसीलिए आपने देखा होगा सीएनजी गैस से, क्योंकि सीएनजी में जो बाय प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो हार्मफुल नहीं है. उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा स्मॉल अमाउंट में मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम अमाउंट में, बहुत स्मॉल अमाउंट में आपके ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन होते हैं. तो सीएनजी इज कंपैरेटिवली क्लीनर फ्यूल. इसीलिए मेट्रो सिटीज़ में सीएनजी को ही प्रिफर करते हैं, right? So these are the different points. You have to discuss them and you have to properly read them from the book also. Now come to the keywords. Acid rain, calorific value, combustion, all are explained to you. Deforestation and opposite of the deforestation is afforestation. Explosion, flame, fire extinguishers, fuel efficiency, global warming, ideal fuel, ignition temperature and inflammable substances. These all points are discussed with you. And you have to write their definitions in your notebook. So now come to the exercise. ये चैप्टर मैंने पूरा आपको भेजा हुआ है, आप इसको प्रॉपरली लर्न कर लीजिए और ये सारी एक्सरसाइज भी आपके पास हैं और इनको नोटबुक में भी करना है along with the activities. ठीक है, लिस्ट कंडीशंस अंडर विच कंबशन कैन टेक प्लेस. तो मैंने आपको बताया था 3 important points are required, conditions are required, and this is also known as combustion triangle. That is, one is oxygen, another is fuel, and third is ignition temperature. So most important is fuel, then ignition temperature and oxygen. Fill in the blanks. Burning of wood and coal causes pollution of air. A liquid fuel used in homes is kerosene oil. Be careful, liquid fuel is kerosene oil. So you have to pay attention on both the condition, that is fuel should be liquid and used in the home. और मैंने केरोसिन के साथ एक और बात आपको बताई थी कि केरोसिन इज ओनली फ्यूल दैट कैन बी यूज फॉर बोथ लाइटिंग एंड द हीटिंग इफेक्ट. Fuel must be heated to its ignition temperature before it starts burning. अगर ignition temperature नहीं देंगे तो ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्शन शुरू नहीं करेगा, दैट इज उसका बर्निंग नहीं होगा. Fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by the water. What is the reason behind it? Because oil floats over the water. So if you try to put off the fire in oil well or oil container, etc., this oil float over the water and split out from the container, and it is spread in the larger area, so fire will increases. Explain how the use of CNG in automobile has reduced pollution in our cities. So from the chapter it is clear CNG produced in very very less amount oxides of nitrogen. This is the reason CNG is comparatively cleaner fuels. Compare LPG and wood as fuel. It's very important and interesting. आपको सेम पॉइंट्स दोनों साइड डिस्कस करने हैं, कंपैरिजन करना है, तो दोनों के आपको प्लस माइनस पॉइंट्स बताने हैं. एलपीजी का डिस्कस कर लीजिए पहले. एलपीजी इजी टू स्टोर, इजी टू हैंडल एंड इजी टू ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड क्लीनर फ्यूल, नो रेजिड्यू आफ्टर दिस वन, combustion of this one. So these are the advantages of LPG. In contrast to that, wood produce the pollution of air and difficult to store because it occupy large area. And next important point, it left residue, and that is also a problem for us. So out of these two, LPG is better fuel than the wood, but at the one part LPG is highly inflammable. This is the reason at this part only LPG is inferior to the wood. So in this way you have to compare all the points regarding to LPG and wood. Next question, give reasons. Water is not used to control fire involving electrical equipments. So we already discussed this point. Water is good conductor of electricity, and if you try to put off the fire with the help of water, that is fire involved in the electrical equipment, so it may be accidental for the fireman. So note this point कि before trying to douse the fire of a building, we have to cut off this electrical supply of this building. Otherwise, due to short circuit, fire can be spread. Next, LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood. Yes, LPG is better domestic fuel than the wood. सो जो ऊपर आपने डिस्कस किया था एलपीजी एंड वुड एज अ फ्यूल कंपैरिजन, वही आपको यहाँ भी लिखना है. तो एलपीजी क्यों बेटर है वुड से? सेम आंसर इज देयर. पेपर बाय इटसेल्फ कैचिंग फायर इजीली, वेयर इज पीस ऑफ पेपर रैप्ड अराउंड एन एल्यूमिनियम पाइप डजंट. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एल्यूमिनियम इज गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. व्हेन यू रैप द पेपर ओवर द एल्यूमिनियम पाइप, it takes time to reach up to the ignition temperature because heat supplied to the aluminium pipe. So this is the reason that take time to burn. Make a label diagram of a candle flame. So you can draw this diagram from the book, and this is the diagram. You have to use this one. ठीक है? That is figure 6.10. You have to draw and you have to learn that also. It's very important to know. Next, name the unit in which the calorific value of fuel is expressed. It is joule per gram or kilojoule per kilogram, right? Explain how CO2 is able to control fire. So as I already told you, CO2 is a gas, so it cover the and heavier than the air, so it cover the fuel and cut off the supply of oxygen. In this way, it can control the fire. And number 2, and that's also very important, CO2 is a gas, so by absorbing energy, it expand enormously and form a blanket over the fuel. And second important point, it absorb the energy from the fuel, so decrease its temperature. So it can control fire in two ways, that is by removing the 2 points of the triangle. One is oxygen supply and another is ignition temperature. Next question, it is difficult to burn heap of green leaves, but dry leaves catch fire easily. Green leaves have the lot of water, so first you have to provide the energy to evaporate all the water from the green leaves. Then they start to burn, so they take more energy in comparison to dry leaves that will be equal to that energy that used to evaporate the water, right? So this is the reason, because dry leaves have no water, so they easily burn in comparison to green leaves, or we can say easily catch fire in comparison to green leaves. Thank you.